Okay, so for this video, we're going to start getting the egg to come shooting out of the chicken and running across the screen. Now, I forgot to show you last time, once we got that script on there, we want to click apply. And we don't need it in here anymore. All right. So let's on our chicken. We'll open up our rotate chicken script. And first, we're going to need to declare the object that we're going to be shooting out of the chicken. And for that, we need game object. And we'll call it egg. Then, now every frame, we want it to listen for the click of a button. And for that, we want input. And then we have all these different things here. And what we're looking for is either get button or get button down. And the difference between the two is if get button, it says is that it returns true while the button is being held down. Well, we only want them to click the button once. So otherwise it's going to, if they hold the button down, we'll start spawning millions and millions of chickens. We only want, or eggs, we only want one egg. And this one, does it only returns true once during the frame that it's pushed. So get button down. And then it tells us we need a button name. Where do we get that from? And whenever it asks for a string, we want to use these parentheses like this. We put in a pair of, and our if statement's always a little curly Q bracket like this. We'll make a comment here, do stuff. That's just to remind us that nothing's going to happen there. So to get the name of the button, if we go over here, there is in Unity Input Manager. So it's over here, Edit, Project Settings, Input. We have all these axes. And one of them then Fire 1. We have, tells us all these different things that when we say Fire 1 here, that name is tied to. And that would be left control, mouse 0 being the left click button, and so on and so forth. So that's the name of the button we want. Player 1. So do stuff. Well, to create an object in Unity, basically we use a command called Instantiate. So Instantiate asks us for some parameters. So these quotation marks here. It's always, if you never know what they're supposed to do, you can always look it up. Unity Instantiate. These are all the different types of parameters we can instantiate. And what we're interested in is this one, because we want it to be position of our chicken, same rotation, and the object we want to pass in there. So that's what we're looking for. So which object do we want to shoot out? Well, obviously the egg. Ask for a position. So that's going to be transform position, this object's position. And then we ask for a rotation. we'll hit Control S to save. And what that should do then, we come over here, go over to our chicken. Drag our egg in there. And now when we hit play, when we click the button, it should shoot out an egg. And I will show you what we can do. Now we can start putting our game together, making a game over when it hits this, scoring points when it gets outside of it, so on and so forth. We'll fix it so that you can't repeatedly just push the button and launch millions of eggs in our upcoming videos.